Hi guys, John Fox from Global Magic Shop here with another magic review of Credika. Hi guys, thanks for popping by the YouTube channel. Today's review is on Credika. If you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot to me. Let's check the trailer out for Credika right now.
So good. Wow.
Here I have my credit card. I want you to take it, look at it, and I want you to think of one of the digits except 0, okay? So you have one digit in your mind, right? I'm going to show it to the camera. And do you have a wallet on you? I want to place it this credit card with your number somewhere here, okay? Make sure that I'm not going to switch this card. I'm going to place it somewhere in your wallet. I'm going to close it and put it inside your bag, so I'm not going to touch it. So here I have a deck of playing cards, all different, right?
Yeah.
And you're going to say stop at any card you want.
Stop.
Just take a card, show to the camera, show to everybody. Remember, don't show it to me. Remember. Put it here. So what was the number from the credit card? Tell us.
9.
9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 card. What was your card?
Queens.
Queen of what?
Queen of Hearts.
Queen of Hearts. And this is Queen of Hearts.
What?
You have my credit card. I didn't touch it for the whole trick.
Right.
The crazy thing that there isn't any numbers. Take it. I don't want to touch it. Look at the numbers. What does it say?
What?
Read. What does it say?
What?
Turn it and read. What does it say?
Let me see.
What's it? Your card is 8.
Get the
Here. Show it to camera.
I am so literally sorry.
Покажите все.
So guys, that was the trailer for Credika. What you get is this package here. You get 2 gimmicks inside, which the credit cards. There's about a 13-minute instructional online video. It's quite clear. I think it's filmed in like a theatre and whatnot. They give all the proper crediting to the likes of Jeff Brace and the previous people that have come up with similar ideas and similar effects. The gimmicks are very, very well made. I was actually quite impressed with the quality of these credit cards. There was one slight thing that I had a concern about, but when I actually performed this, it flew straight by. So, and that is that on the credit card, it doesn't actually state Visa, as in like what we would commonly see a Visa or a MasterCard. It's actually like a slightly different logo, and I thought maybe that's not going to fly. It completely flies, completely passes all the inspection, because they're not even looking at it, they just look at a card, and it is a credit card. So very, very, very well made gimmick. This is designed for the close-up magician. Albeit I do believe that this actual effect has been used on TV prior to this, which is actually, I think, on the trailer. But predominantly you're going to be using it in a walk around environment and table hopping and things like that, where because it's designed to go in the spectator's hands. Now, so you get 2 gimmicks, but there's only 1 gimmick that's ever in play. Total full disclosure here, the way that he makes the change, he uses a JOL large wallet. I happen to have a JOL wallet because I use one in my working repertoire. You can, however, use any wallet that's like a hip style wallet to do this. It's really, the effect is very, very strong. You'd literally get them to hold on to the credit card, which I'll show you the credit cards. This is the credit card. You get them to you get them to think of one of those numbers, one of these digits along here. Hold it in their hands, and then you ask them what is their thought of number, and whether it's 2, 3, 4, whatever it is. So let's say 5. You take a pack of cards, you count down 5 cards, and at the 5th card you turn that over, and it's, let's say, the 6 of clubs. When they lift their hand and remove, wrote on there now, printed on there, is the 6 of clubs. It's really, really strong. I use this. I haven't performed it, obviously, because we're all in social lockdown and things like that. Things are lifting here, but very slowly. So I performed this on my wife and eldest son, and he actually had it in his hands. And when he lifted it, he was like, and I was like, look at the numbers. And he was like, you will choose the 6 of clubs. Absolutely fried him. This will be very strong. It's a modern day effect. Everybody uses a credit card. Everyone's got a credit card. Everyone's got a debit card. It's very practical. It's very organic. That's what I like about it. Yes, I will be using it. I think it's definitely something that I will carry around with me. I think the price point on this is around 50 Australian dollars. It's around that. It's definitely worth the money. The gimmicks are very, very well made. Credika, we've got a few in stock. Check it out, guys. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Bye for now.